Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today I will show you the breakdown of the trades taken today with the VIP, and basically what we did, what's happening with the markets, where are they going? Are they going to continue crashing? Is the market going to be correcting? And now, like, are we going to be potentially now on an uptrend? Remember, a lot of things, a lot of questions are going to be happening in the next 10 days. A lot of action. Remember, tomorrow the CPI data report is coming out. So, I would say that tomorrow, especially tomorrow, we are going to have either a big spike up everywhere, like either on the three of this, Nasdaq, US 30, and S&P, or a massive crash, a massive dank again. So what happened today? What were the things happening today? So let's go ahead and check a few things that I was spotting on starting on US 30. Had a nice couple of things in this area. We had few formations. We had, as you can see here, had an imbalance. Even right here, we had some imbalance that needed to be filled. And if I go on, for example, in this drop, this was also a nice order block here, but it didn't. This one in particular, it didn't play out. It just needed to go to the one at the very top right there. So imbalance in there. There was another imbalance in this area. So a lot of areas that the market needed to fill out. That's why the New York stock exchange, when it opened, this thing just boom, skyrocket. It needed to fill those empty spaces, right? After having this massive sales, aggressive sales in the last couple of days. So those are areas that needed to be filled, right? So by that, of course, in this one, from time to time, taking a little loss right there. This was the order block that was created in there, so a little supply zone, but the market just spiked up, of course, after that. So it went up, filling up this final imbalance, and then after that, just coming crashing down. Beautiful setup. This all of this was actually explained, breaking down and explained on the VIP. You can see this is where I post all the information. I do post content regularly, content in there, videos explaining, breaking down the entries, the reason why, the behind the scenes of why I'm making that decision. This was the first, as I mentioned, the first order block here, potential sale. If it's not on this one, it's in this one right there, and it actually ended up activating the sale at the top. So I did share, I believe, a sale breakout right here, a breakdown on the free group. However, look at what happened on Nasdaq. I'm going to show you what happened on Nasdaq. Oof, US 30 is just going down right now, and profits is still running because these entries are still open. So beautiful there on the VIP. This is S&P 500 also. This was another setup. Look at this beautiful order block right there, just immediate reaction when the New York Stock Exchange normally opens at 9:30 in the morning here in my country, New York time. So price spike up, look at that, just barely touching it and activating the sale right there. There was another zone, of course, that got completely messed up, which was this one. There was an imbalance there. There was an imbalance in here. So of course, these were areas that the market needed to be to fill out, right, to complete, so for the price to be balanced. So in this area, of course, another imbalance here and that one. So ended up covering all those imbalances. Boom, at that point the price just reacted, and now look at this beautiful drop. And not just this one, because I'm still holding for a couple of days back from last week, holding this one. Beautiful right here. Guys, if you want to know and understand how we're trading right now, and you don't want to miss this type of things, and I'm not saying, hey, you want to get into the or to be part of the VIP just because of the signals. No, I am making sure my students understand what I'm doing. So I am teaching. My job here is to teach, not to actually sell out signals. If signals is the thing you're looking for, this is not for you. If you want to learn what I'm doing, then I recommend you just go ahead, check out my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will find in there that I'm offering a bundle, okay? And that bundle, you will get my course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. All those three together in one bundle, one-time payment. There's a 20% discount right now, so go ahead, check it out. You might want to like it. So let's go on Nasdaq to show you what Nasdaq did. Nasdaq, I was kind of expecting. I'm on a big on the previous sale. I'm still holding this sale. Okay, similar scenario right there from the top. So I'm still holding this sale. However, today in here, similar to kind of what US 30 did and S&P 500 did, the New York stock has changed. That like it caused this thing to spike up very, very strong. So we had a few zones. I did get stopped out on Nasdaq here. Okay, we had an imbalance, a huge imbalance also here. Of course, it needed to be filled. Right here, this entire zone needed to be filled. However, you see, it didn't cover the entire imbalance. I was thinking that the market could go all the way to the top right here in this order block, this potential order block at the top, but I don't know, something. I don't know if it was my broker or is right here on TradingView, but this entry definitely didn't get activated. I was trying to check maybe on a 2-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame. Maybe on the 4-hour time frame was the, I don't know, man. Yeah, this one in particular messed me up today, and it is what it is. You know, you're gonna have losses. You're gonna encounter losses. Sometimes one index in particular will mess you up. The other two are gonna give you the best, like the beautiful entry. So that's why we got to keep an eye on the three of them. Like there is no favorite one right now. If you ask me, which one is your favorite? Sometimes I can say Nasdaq. Sometimes I can say S&P 500 is my favorite. But no, the real thing right here is that not all the time they're going to give you the best entry. Okay, when for example, let's say like you see that this spike right here, it didn't activate this one, but on US 30, that spike, which was what on the was it? No, it wasn't. No, I'm sorry, it was on S&P. The spike was on S&P. I'm sorry. Yeah, that spike right there, it did activated this one. You see? So, oof, my goodness, these markets are just crashing down. I think this is it. This is it. Today is the crash. Look at this already. My goodness. All right. Jesus, look at that crash. So you see, it was beautiful. The S&P today was the entry was so like literally sniper right there. Just literally barely touched it and dropped. Nasdaq, you see, for as much as I say I really like Nasdaq, sometimes, you know, it missed my entry. I didn't get in. So it could have I got stopped out on this order block. The price, you know, messed me out right there and then actually dropped. So I wish I could have caught that. This sell right here. So if you look from here now, because I did not getting on this one, I got in here on this one. Little sell. I was not getting in strong. I did say I did send this to my team. Right here, let me show you. I believe it was activated. Nasdaq. No. Hang on. Let me go back to the bottom. Right here. This is what I was saying. So I was on on a 15-minute time frame, and this is the order block, and this is the NT space, the imbalance right there. So let me go on 15-minute and show you. If you go on 15-minute, this was the, as I mentioned, the entry. The order block I was drawing right there. Okay, so I did not cover I did not cover the entire candle. I covered this from here, boom, to here. So that was the order block, and the imbalance was here, from here to here. So that was the imbalance. Okay, so of course, after this huge drop with the New York Stock Exchange, right there, the price needed to fill that up to complete, to cover that imbalance in there. So after that, of course, and on this order block, the price reacted really nice. So I did get in here. I did get in small, didn't get into like the one I was getting here. I was hoping for the price to give me a much nicer profits right there. And entry was right here. So still holding this thing to the downside. But of course with a much smaller lot size. But at the end of the day, profits are profits. So happy for, at least for this decision taken in there. A little mad because of this one, yeah. But as I mentioned, not all the time you're gonna get what you want. So it's cool. I'm just accepting it, right? So a lot of imbalances at the bottom. So yes, I do believe we're gonna continue crashing all the way down here. I'm pretty sure in the next couple of days. However, tomorrow, as I mentioned, we have the CPI data report. So a lot of things can happen. This is a very important area right here. There's a lot of rejection in this imbalance area. So we can say, if we go in the back a little bit, that's a strong support. This is a very important area right here. It's a very strong resistance and support. So right here, let's see. Well, it already created a new low right there. It broke. Yeah, this low broke this low, so it's creating a new low right now. So that is a good sign. Okay, but so let's see what's going to happen, guys. I hope you like this type of content, guys. Leave your comments below if you really like it. Give it a big thumbs up if you want me to keep posting videos like this, showing you the breakdowns of the entries that were made. And if you want to be part of the team, just go check out my website. And if you want to be part of the free Telegram group, just go ahead and check it out. I do post free content in there as well. And you know, again, if you have any doubts, just let me know. Okay. Please subscribe if you're new on the channel. You know, more and more content like this will be coming. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.